5, 6, 7, 8.
Where's the cookies we left out?
9, 10. Good job. Look, Michael, these are yours.
Wow.
Wow.
Should we open them? Yes.
You want me just to record the whole pic, all of it?
Yeah. Or just one.
Brody, go.
Come on.
Michael, open your present. This is for Mama. Want to help? Hey, what's that? What's that?
You guys, get your dog.
Go outside.
Come on.
They expect the doors.
What is it?
Oh. Oh, hey, Kate, this one? Bye-bye. What's this one? Wow. Wow.
What'd you get, Mike?
What is it? Just wait and see. What is it? Is it a book?
Whoa.
Oh.
Look, honey. Look, a book. It's a book. You want to get another present? Okay, he's getting on. Okay.
Get that fast. Okay. They call me slow.
Did you get him grab it?
Hmm?
Did you get him grab it?
Come on. I gave you a treat already. Come on. Come on. I already gave you a treat. You got your train.
Ooh, that one looks fun.
Oh. You see that, Michael?
What is it?
Yeah. That's a game. Wow. It's put it right there.
Oh, that one? Does this show you how long you're recording?
Can I see it?
It's just blinking red. That means it's recording. Okay. Oh, what is that one?
Oh. And the, okay.
You need your coffee?
It was really bad this year.
Ooh.
Where's Mitch's gift? Where's Mitch's gift?
They're here behind me.
Is that green?
Oh, I think, I don't know.
Wow.
Ooh, that looks fun. Wow. Okay, we done with that one now? On to the next one.
Oh, the big one.
Oh,
Okay.
wow. Eric, what are you looking for?
The one ours. We're done. Right here, isn't it?
For Michael?
Yeah.
Do you want to wait and tell it?
This one?
It has a name tag on it. If it says Stinky on it, that's Michael's.
Oh.
Just wait until...
Is he on it?
Mm-hmm.
I have names on it.
Ooh, that one looks fun. What did Santa get ya? Let me see. What is it?
Wow.
Let me see it. Michael. Let me see. Oh, wow. You can dance with him, huh? Okay. On to the next one. Over there.
Michael, these are all yours.
That one's from us.
Wow. This is from Aunt Amber and Eric. Oh, he'll like that. They picked a bedtime.
Thinking it would help him sleep.
That's good. And it's a book.
It says it has 30 story surprises with
People
it.
like that.
It's Luke Robin.
Well, you loaded up.
Okay. No,
Yeah,
those ones are yours.
These are yours.
Yeah.
That one's yours.
Poor Aiden, he probably didn't get nothing.
What?
Let's see.
What is that gonna be?
They might- Don't.
Whose is this? This is from Santa Claus 2?
That one's not
Okay.
player.
That was what?
I was like Santa Claus with no color.
Uh-oh, what is that? Is that so you can play with Elmo?
Good job, Michael. You're very good at this unwrapping.
Mm-hmm. What is it? Are we there yet? Okay. That big green one. Other one.
No, this one right here.
Over
Michael.
there.
Michael, this one.
That big one.
This one's yours.
What can that be?
This one.
That one. That's your pile.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh!
That is
The
big.
one.
They're not using two.
This is from Santa Claus 2.
Give her a gab. I gave her one.
I came home the other day and up everyone again. You get nice.
You're only supposed to give them one a day.
Huh?
It says on the bag.
4 for Brody size, 2 for like Andy size.
Tiny.
Cassie, stop it.
Mom, she's gonna ruin the video. What is it?
Wow.
Just give her one to shut her up.
I did already.
Give her that
Cassie, stop.
No, gotta get all the paper off, huh?
Thank you.
What is it? Oh, there's one left on there?
What is it? Oh, what is it?
He's gotta get all the paper off first. Is those cards? Wow. Oh,
All done.
what? His stocking?
Here, let me see. Oh, yeah, he's got a stocking. Here's your stocking, baby. Here. Here.
Look,
Your stocking.
what's in there, Michael? The stocking.
There's your stocking.
Ooh, what is in that?
Open this. Open.
There's
Michael.
candy in there.
Down. Okay, you can open Mom. Okay, you can
Okay.
stop her.
Okay, stops it.